आज की हमारी वीडियो जी एयर फ्रायर ओवन वेस्ट पॉइंट 5258 rupees 33,000 large capacity 22-liter air fryer oven roaster broiler and roasterizer 22-liter conve- convection oven with inside light for perfect baking pizza oven for 12-inch pizza toaster for bread muffin and waffles 360-degree hot air circulation heating 60 minutes timer with ring and auto shut off 6-piece stainless steel heating elements whisper quiet operation adjustable thermostat 65 degrees centigrade 230 degrees centigrade aluminium coating baking tray wire rack air fry basket transport kit crumb tray 150 100 watts 220 to 240 watts 50 Hz toaster for bread muffin and waffles 360-degree hot air circulation heating 60-minute timer with ring and auto shut off 6-piece stainless steel heating elements आप व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं टू चार्ट कर सकते हैं बाद में बाई भी कर सकते हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में देखते हैं जी WF5258 वेस्ट पॉइंट एयर फ्रायर ओवन फीचर्स हैं लार्ज कैपेसिटी 22-लीटर एयर फ्रायर ओवन है रोस्टर है ब्राइलर है रोस्टर रोस्टर साइज 22-liter convection oven the inside light for perfect baking pizza oven for 12-inch pizza toaster for bread muffin and waffles 360-degree hot air circulation heating 60-minute timers with ring and auto shut off 6-piece stainless steel heating elements whisper quit operation adjustable thermostat 65 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade aluminium coating baking tray wire rack air fryer basket trumpet kit and crumb tray 150 100 watts 220 to 240 watts 50 Hz Westman WF 5258 air fryer oven effortless cooking large capacity 22-liter air fryer oven you can have a powerful air fry even for a 12-inch pizza mouth-watering muffins in waffles you can even use the fryer oven for a roaster broiler and rotisserie we have the best air fryer in Pakistan with rapid air technology that enables the air fryer the surround your food with 360-degree hot air circulation heating with a 60-minute timer that has a ring and an auto shut off on oven that offers are had their version of the same meal with the crisp fried taste and texture that you like. This fry oven's crisp 360-degree hot air circulation replaces deep fryer convection ovens, oven toaster, and pizza grills. This 50-100 watt air fryer oven can cook with less oil. The power air fryer oven delivers fewer calories from fat than deep fried food the best air fryer in Pakistan that gives you delicious and healthier food. Air fryer price in Pakistan is quite competitive because of their multi features, but in comparison comparison, air fryer in Pakistan of affordable for every house at its six-piece stainless steel elements heating elements which keeps your food healthy and delicious. Moreover, it has a